Yeah, sideways to the next life. My homie Trip Dog 2 on the beat. Trip, what's happening, homie? Stay riding and slide, dipping through the east. You can feel me with this one? Haha. Then let's roll. What it do? What's happening? What's good, nigga? What's good? Pitbull on the loose, the nigga knock on wood. Trying to get it how I live, to give it back to the kids. Nigga set up shop and give all I can give. It's hard on the streets, so I stay on the grind. I'm a diamond in the rough, so fuck a 9 to 5. I kill off the track like I cook up crack. Yeah, it's the bomb. And all the smokers coming back. Like 40 seconds, what you need at the game and sit your ass down. Invest your money in some things, know what's happening now. I put it down like I put in work. Haters on my dick, click, 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 bang. Feelings gon' get hurt. I'm a one-man army. You can't touch or harm me. When I bring out the guns, it's impossible to disarm me. You turn a zip to a brick without water in the whip. Nigga set up shop, now I'm on some other shit. I stay ride, slide, dipping through the east. Creeping and crawling, trying to fall in the streets. Haters on my dick, but I stay on my toes. And I don't give a damn, I be like, fuck them hoes. I stay ride, slide, dipping through the east. Ballin', creeping and crawling, left hand on my heat. Haters on my tip, but keep an eye on them now. Getting that T.I. money, nigga got hustle and flow. I come from a different breed. You niggas come from seeds that ain't been watered, so they die like weeds. My enemies bleed. I go hard like Rocky. Bullets bring out niggas lose they weight like hydroxy. Cut Contra Conan and he don't fear no man trick. I keep a 9 in the waistline like clips. Go D's with the ass jacked up on the 6. Hot boy hit the switch, get bumper in 2 licks. But my mind is much bigger than a fancy car. Think like the white man and shoot for the stars. Much love to my niggas still locked behind bars. And if you ain't chasing cheese, nigga, you're stuck on Mars. Make a way without a way as the game unfolds. And jealous bitches won't be happy till my heart turn cold. Who had a crack in the street like a baby blue rose. Sideways to the next life and pop up foes. I stay ride, slide, dipping through the east. Creeping and crawling, trying to ball in the streets. Haters on my dick, but I stay on my toes. And I don't give a damn, I be like, fuck them hoes. I stay from the depths of the seas, now back to the scrapping. The seabed motherfucker, west side, let's get it crackin'. Kicking they dope, nigga, they set up shop. Perm swinging, nigga, they know what I'm banging. I got it locked, they can't hang the band. My rhymes like a kilo of coke. Spit venom and shit dope, nigga, I'm straight low. Coming to a hood near you, so peep out my style. And those that try to copy, shut they whole fucking shit down. Ride, slide, dipping through the east. Ballin', creeping and crawling, left hand on my heat. Haters on my tip, but keep an eye on them now. Getting that T.I. money, nigga got hustle and flow. Put your money where your mouth is and watch it get ate up. Hands down to McClown and blow your shit back straight up. Hustle unlock, the flow is 3D. Like a mistletoe that can find you up under a tree. Rough side of the tracks, I'm making lungs collapse. Inhale purple crack a 40, nigga, this shit out anthrax.
Where did it come from? Got 'em going crazy.
Look, nigga,
This is how the Lord made.
stuck at the bottom, but I can't complain. And I don't make it rain, motherfucker, I make it hurricane. Eagle in the host, the cock back and name. And I'ma get mine with these trick niggas, like it or not. I stay ride, slide, dipping through the east. Creeping and crawling, trying to ball in the streets. Haters on my dick, but I stay on my toes. And I don't give a damn, I be like, fuck them hoes. I stay ride, slide, dipping through the east. Ballin', creeping and crawling, left hand on my heat. Haters on my tip, but keep an eye on them now. Getting that T.I. money, nigga, got hustle and flow. Got hustle and flow. Feel what I'm saying? Trip Dog, you a fool for this one. I owe you, nigga. Yeah.